You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing vocabulary and names too that too many people get wrong. Stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. Bebe, whether it's the store, the retail stores, Bebe stores, and it's also Bebe Rexha, celebrity singer. Bebe is how you say it, it's easy. And now you know. If you want to learn how to say it in French by any chance, that's where to look at, and more videos for you to learn more correct pronunciations of confusing names and words. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.